Gardens often lose their vibrancy by the time August arrives, as the dazzling displays of spring blooms slowly fade away. But what if you could enjoy vibrant colors and lush greenery throughout the entire year without putting in endless hours of maintenance? Here's where it gets interesting. There are certain flowers that experts recommend, which can bring continuous color and life to your garden all year long, and they are surprisingly easy to care for. According to gardening specialists at Garden Buildings Direct, maintaining a garden filled with foliage and blossoms year-round might sound daunting, but choosing the right plants can make this goal much more achievable. Their advice is gold for both novice plant lovers and seasoned gardeners looking to keep their outdoor spaces captivating with minimal fuss. So what are these magical plants that promise to keep your garden alive and colorful regardless of the season? 1. Peonies. Known for their large, stunning blooms, peonies don't just deliver beauty. They're also resistant to slugs, making them a low-hassle choice for beginners. These flowers can even play a dual role when planted alongside vegetable crops, by helping to naturally ward off pests. Imagine having a garden that's both attractive and practical. 2. Winter aconites. These charming flowers stand out with their bright pink, cup-shaped yellow blooms that are not only eye-catching, but highly attractive to pollinating insects, crucial for a healthy garden ecosystem. Taking care of winter aconites is straightforward, making them a favorite for those who want something effortless yet effective in boosting their garden's color. 3. Cyclamen. If you think your garden looks dull during the cold months, Cyclamen is here to prove you wrong. This rugged plant blooms when most others don't, especially in winter and early spring. Garden experts highlight Cyclamen as a must-have for winter color. They're perfect for containers or pots, which means even gardening beginners can find success with them. However, be mindful to choose outdoor varieties like Heterofolium or Kokum to ensure they thrive outside. For a harmonious winter garden, pair Cyclamen with early bloomers such as winter aconites, primroses, or snowdrops, as recommended by the Royal Horticultural Society. 4. Iris reticulata. This early flowering iris is a herald of spring, bursting into color while most gardens remain dormant. Ideal for planting in borders or containers, Iris reticulata benefits from well-draining soil and a spot with partial shade. Planting them in winter sets the stage for an impressive floral display that can continue throughout the spring months. But here's the part most people miss. While these flowers are low maintenance, they still require the right conditions and some attention during planting. Pairing their natural strength with suitable garden spots can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant haven all year round. Are you ready to brighten your garden with these resilient beauties? Or do you think relying on just a few low-maintenance flowers might limit your garden's diversity? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have other plants that bring continuous color to your garden? Let's discuss in the comments below.